Hello, Zachary. I heard that you like travel trailers, and I know you've seen pictures of my travel trailer, the Rolling House, but I thought I'd show you a video of it too. Here's the outside of it. It's very sunny right now, so you can see my shadow taking the video. Over here I have some solar panels that pick up the sunlight and keep my battery charged. You can see my van in the back. That's what I use to pull the trailer. Right now it's around back because it's not hooked up. And the other side of the trailer doesn't have nearly as much stuff on it as the right side does. But you can see the full size of it here. If I go inside, it's just like a home. It's just a little bit smaller, but it's where I live. At this end, the front end, you can see my bed and my map of the United States above that. You can see out the windows. You can see the mountains off in the background because I'm parked at a state park here in Arizona. And it's got a refrigerator and a sink and a stove and a microwave. And then it even has a bathroom with a toilet and a shower and a sink in it. And this is looking back toward the door that we walked in. And you can see all of my electronics to get the internet. So that's the inside of the trailer. And if we go back outside, there's a better look at the van that I pull it with. You can see the back of the trailer. You can see my bicycle at the back of the trailer. This is actually the bicycle that your dad had when he was growing up. And when he didn't need it anymore, he gave it to me. And I still ride it. And this is the other side of the trailer. And going all the way around now, you can see the mountains again. And back to the side of the van. So, that's the Rolling House. I hope you enjoyed it. And someday you can ask me questions about it. Goodbye.